What is up, guy? The Matt Paolini era here, and happy Sunday. And today we are gonna be unboxing these Master of the Universe Heyman and Skeletor, the evil Lord Destruction and most powerful man in the universe. So here we go. This is from the ABW giveaway. So here we go with the unboxing. Let's open up the Skeletor first. And he comes with a comic book too, so that's pretty cool. Alright, we got the comic book out, as you can see. Pretty cool. He came with a double unbox. We also have this is so hard. I'm trying to get it open, guys. Alright, come on. We got the sword out right here. This is pretty cool. Come on, I'm trying to get it. Well, we can't get this out, so it's kind of hard to get out, guys. So I'm trying to get this thing out, the piece to the weapon, to get out that he put in his hand. So right after the video, I'm probably gonna have to like I think. It's kind of hard to get out, guys. I'm trying to really get this out, guys. It is so hard to get out. I think maybe after the video I'll get this piece out. So now let's get to the unboxing of this. The Skeletor. Get this out. Skeletor is out. And at the end of the video, I'm probably gonna have to get this off. So this is pretty cool. Now it's time to get the last one out. Master of the Universe, He-Man. That's right. Here's the rest of the set. Pretty cool. Now here we go. The comic book is out. Pretty cool. Now this is so hard to get out, guys. I'm trying to get it all out. The weapons are trying to come out. Yep. Got the weapon out. Pretty cool. Got He-Man's weapon out. Gonna try to get this weapon out at the end of the video at this thing. Which is kind of hard. So let's get out He-Man now. So pretty cool. He-Man is out. Pretty cool. So guys, once again, hope you all enjoy me unboxing this Master of the Universe from ABW. Now once again, play this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Peace out, guys. See you and happy Sunday.